Welcome to Noteworthy by Michele. I'd like to share with you my two new kits. This journal cover was made from designs in the main kit. On the back of the cover is a pocket to insert a journal card. As you open the flap, there's a pocket to put journaling cards in. Here you can see what the inside of my cover looks like. You can find my September floral envelope journal kit on my Etsy store, which is called Noteworthy by Michele. Now we can look through the pages of this kit. Here is the first cover option made with script and lovely florals. This becomes the flap of the journal. All you do is cut around the edge and score it at 1 3/4 inches from the top of the page, and then fold that over the exterior cover. In the add-on kit, you'll find two pages that are similar to this, without the labels. The first one is this exact page, just without the labels. The second one is this page, but the center has a creamy yellow without the pink. That can also be used in your journal. Thank you for watching this video and checking out my new kits. I hope to have a few new videos in the near future showing how I put together this kit into a journal, and I'll be using both the main kit and the add-on kit. Bye for now. Take care.